Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, south central Harford County in northern Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rosedale, or near Baltimore, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Middle River, Dundalk, Essex, Rosedale, Rossville, White Marsh, Molly's Quarters, Edgewood, Joppatone, Nottingham, Fullerton, Magnolia, Chase, East Point, and Martin State Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.